Can you turn it up a little? It's okay.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for Central Lake County, northern McHenry County until 11 o'clock p.m. At 10:20 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located 6 miles southwest of Hebron, or 6 miles northwest of Woodstock, and moving east at 40 miles per hour. This tornadic storm will be near Old Valley and Wonder Lake around 10:30 p.m. McCullum Lake, McHenry and Spring Grove around 10:35 p.m. Lake Moore, Sunnyside, Pistakee Highlands and Fox Lake around 10:40 p.m. Long Lake and Allen Lake around 10:45 p.m. Round Lake, Venetian Village, Lakeville and Wyaconda around 10:50 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Fox Lake Hills, Round Lake Heights, Haynesville, Round Lake Beach and Round Lake Park. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.